Are you frustrated with your iPhone calendar search not working? We've all been there, missing important events and struggling to find past appointments. But don't worry, in today's video, I'll show how you can fix the calendar search not working issue on your iPhone. So let's start without wasting any time. Solution 1. Turn off and on iCloud calendar. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on Apple ID from the top. After that, tap on iCloud from here, then click on See All from here. After that, scroll down a little and find the calendar options. Then toggle it off. Now wait for a few seconds and toggle the calendar on again. Now check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Offload the calendar app. To do this, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down a little and tap on Show All. Then find and tap on Calendar from here. Next, tap on the Offload App button. Then tap on Offload App and it will be offloaded. Now just tap on Reinstall App and the Calendar app will begin reinstalling. Once it's finished, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Reset your iPhone settings. Open up the Settings app once more. Then scroll down and tap on General. Next, find the Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on it. Now select Reset All Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset All Settings again. Your settings will now be reset and the issue should be gone. So guys, that's how you fix the calendar search not working on iPhone. If the video helped you sort out the issue, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.